Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this, well, quite attractive looking padlock was part of a trade between myself and a legal lockpicker. Please do go check out his channel, some really good content on there. And this is a TrueValue lock. Now, obviously, I'm a bit wary when you see something like TrueValue written on anything, frankly, especially when it comes to a security product. And this appears to be some form of clone, American lock clone, a nice full brass body. I quite like that. And, if you're going to clone a lock, the American locks aren't a bad lock to clone from. And it's just quite nice. It's very weighty. But like I said, I'm a bit wary of what TrueValue is. I looked up online and actually I found out it was a hardware store in the US. I didn't know anything about TrueValue before then, but I do now. Anyway, I picked the lock and I found out that actually it might just be TrueValue. This, albeit not a repinnable padlock, actually offers a reasonable amount of pick resistance. I was actually quite impressed. Here's the key. The bitting isn't terrible. It's not bad. It's not good, but it's not terrible. And you can see here that you have a high, quite a low, followed by a relatively high pin. So that isn't a bad sort of bitting for a 5-pin lock. It's not great, it's not too extreme, but it's not too bad. You can see it's got ball bearing mechanism in there, which I really like, double locking on either side. So all in all, so far, not too bad for a low security padlock. Picking it, just going to pick it in hand, going to thumb tension using a bit of wiper blade. And because it's got an American style keyway, which is non-paracentric, I can get an 18,000th Peterson gem up in that keyway quite easily. Anyway, have a look at what happens when I'm picking this. So just going to have a look through 5, 4, 3, 2 now. They'll click on 2. There we go. And look, already we're into a false set. That's a great sign. So we don't have standard pins in there. I was expecting standard pins from this when I first saw the lock. So onto 5. Gentle, gentle. And back into that false set. Onto 4. Gentle, back into that full set, nothing on 3, 2, gentle, gentle, and we're open. Now, that was quite fast, but bear in mind, I have picked this a couple of times just before I filmed, and it actually took me by surprise. Once I knew that it was an American padlock from an American retailer, I just assumed, especially with TrueValue on there, it would just have some standard pins in there. So when I found out actually it has some really nice spool pins and the feedback on it is really great. I actually really like this lock. In fact, I would definitely recommend, if they're all like this, and I can't guarantee they are, that this is a really nice lock for beginner lock pickers to learn some spools on. So yeah, really nice. And actually, in a low security application, I wouldn't mind a nice looking brass padlock like this. Yeah, not too bad at all. So yeah, TrueValue, you've actually impressed me on this one. Alright, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.